Hi, Linda King here, and I was asked to do a video about how I did my balloon smash yesterday. And so I've got everything ready here to show you in the interest of time. So I poured my white background, and I'm using Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue, which I lightened slightly with some white, so I probably put, I don't know, 20% white in there to lighten it up. And also Liquitex Basics Cobalt Blue. And you can see that I've layered them in drops on my canvas. And I said yesterday about the size of a quarter, which that's what it should be. These got a little carried away. My balloon is this size right here. I don't know what size that is, maybe a 8 to 10 incher. And I blow it up, but not so much that it doesn't have some pretty good give in it. So, literally, all I'm going to do, and I like to do it from the side, not on the bottom or the top here, the side. I'm just going to carefully press down on each one of these blobs of paint, and we'll see what we get. Now it looks like the bigger blobs are working better. So I'm going to just wipe this off a little bit, my balloon. I'm going to add just a little more paint down here. And this is the beauty of this. You can play around with it until you get exactly the look that you want. So I'm going to just add a little bit more of this color. And a little bit more of this color. And I'm going to try it again. And one of the things that's really important that I found is not moving the balloon sideways at all when you've pressed it down, because that'll just wreck the design you're trying to make. So I like that extra blue on there, so try here. And since I like more of that blue, I'm going to add a little bit more over here. That turquoise, for some reason, seems to take over. Kind of like that blue. I'm going to wipe my balloon off a little bit again. And it can get pretty slippery, so you got to be careful not to drop it. So, okay, here we go again. Okay, and then I'm making sure I don't drip on the white. And I'm just going to try one right here. Not crazy about that. So, once again. Little blue. I'm just going to flip this over. The clean side down. And there you have your flowers. And you can just play around with it until you get the effect that you want. Like maybe down here I want maybe just one more little one. So I'm going to put it as close to the edge as I can. And I'm not going to press as hard because I want it to be smaller. So I'm just going to, and I don't like that, so I'm going to try it again. Anyway, that gives you the basics of how I did this. I was trying to literally smash the balloon into the paint, and that didn't work. And it wasn't until I did that careful press down that I could get those flower shapes. So I hope this is helpful to you, and carry on, pourers.